Hey y'all, welcome to Be Easy with Breezy. I am Bree. If this is your first time, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today I am working on a faith based gift that anybody would love. All the essentials you need. All right, so let's get started. This is an example right here. This is one that I've already completed. So inside this gift, there is a bag that says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And that is Philippians 4:13. It also has a journal for Bible study and a pen. And the journal also says the same quote. There's a fan, a water bottle that I've customized. Okay. A bottle of water. This is candy inside this little purse container. And this is lotion. It's a body butter, excuse me. Some prayer cards, a holy Bible, and a bookmark, a magnetic bookmark. So that is this. Okay. So let's create one. So I've already gone ahead and got my box prepped. What I need to do is get the backer together to give some stability to this bag so the bag doesn't get squished completely when I close it. When I seal it up, because I'm going to use uh, shrink wrap. My mind went blank for a minute there. All right. Let's see. Just 1 second. I'm so sorry. All right. And I'm about to use tape, so that'll be a problem. All right. So I have some cardboard here because as I cut up my boxes, I have pieces that are left over, and I use that to do things. So right now I'm going to make a backer. I'm going to take a few different pieces and put it together. So take this. If I slow down a little bit there. It's crunch time. It is crunch the time. Yes, it is. Okay. So that's one side. Then I do the same thing on the other side. Right? And then I'm going to take these two pieces and I'm going to place them on there like this. Right behind it. Like that. Just like that. All right? I went ahead and got this ready. Okay? So let me tell you what I did to free up a little bit of this time. So I took two pieces of cardboard and I taped them together here. Okay. And then I took two more pieces of cardboard and I laid it right behind it diagonal to give me like a fan effect. And I taped that to it. And then I took some vinyl. I had some vinyl. And you get some from the Dollar Tree, so you don't have to spend a whole lot of money. I took some vinyl and I covered up this part because this is the part that's going to show it right behind the bag. This is going to be inside the box. You're not going to see this, any of this. All this part is going to show at the top. Well, not really, because it's going to be covered. It's only going to be about this much it's going to show, but I want to make sure that it's covered. So let's get started. So I've already got my paper and stuffing inside here, and I'm going to take a little bit of tissue paper and go around it. Okay. And so the next thing I want to do is decorate my box. So I made this sticker. I did different color stickers for each bag, and they're faith bags. So I made faith stickers. Okay. I have no nails. Okay, there we go. So I should have put it on a different backer so you can see it a little bit better. But you see it. Okay. And I'll bring it closer later. So now we put this backer in. Just push that down there. See that? And then we have the bag. And the bag says, "Be still and know that I am God." Psalms 46:10. Okay. I've already stuffed it with some paper. Okay. And place that back there like that. And then I have this lovely fan here that says, "Judge not, lest you be judged." Matthew 7:1. That's going to go in here. Then we have a Holy Bible. That's going to go right here. Okay, so now, before I do that, I want to add more paper because I just found that I need more height. Not a problem. I am prepared. It's going to get pushed down in just a second. See? There we go. Much better. I wanted it a little bit higher. Okay. And then I have this journal. It's a Bible study journal. It says, "Always pray and never give up." Luke 18:1. And it says Bible study notes. And it's really interesting. It's really nice. It's a nice little book to keep your notes. And it comes with a pen, matching pen. Yes. So we're going to put that there. And then we're going to take this bottle. It's a water bottle. So I made a custom water bottle. There we go. All right. I'm going to put this water bottle right here in the bag. Pocket. Okay. And then I have a bottle of water. Put our water right here. And then we have some prayer cards. We're going to give you a whole box of prayer cards. Okay. That's going to go there like that. And then we have some body butter. So we're going to add the body butter. Let's see, right there. We have a magnetic bookmark. I'm trying to decide which side I want to put it on. It says something on both sides. Be joyful and hope, and faith, hope, and love. I'm looking at the colors. So, because of the colors, it's pink on both sides, but it's more pink on this side. And the pink, we're going to do this, right? So before I do that, we're just going to put a little piece of tape on it. Let's do that. Let's do that again. All right. And put it just like that. Just have a little bag of candies, because we always need some candies when we're in church, right? Well, we're at Bible study. We always need some candy. So we can put that in there. And that's a smaller bag. I just realized that. Smaller bag, and I'm thinking. Hold on one second. So let's get these flowers on here. I need to open this up just a little bit. All right. I'm going in right there. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Just like that. Ooh, that was hot. Try to avoid that. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, gotta get the shred in here. All right. Well, I just noticed that. We're gonna fix that right there. There we go. Sometimes the shred is a little wild. Just a little wild. Okay. It's looking good though. Very pretty and bright. And make sure we fill in all the little gaps. Okay. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to make sure I get it all in here. Let's see here. Uh-huh. All right, a little bit of that. We can fix that. Yes, we can. Right there, just like that. When you bring it in for a closer look, trying to turn it around so you can see the back. You can see how it actually is. And you can see this right here, but we're not worried about that. We're not. That looks beautiful. So now we have 2 different colors. I have more to come, but not on this video. Until next time, bye. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.